Welcome to part 5 of this series. So, just today, I got a new inquiry from a potential client, and I'm going to do the feasibility study using this script. So, I think this would be a good example of how you can use the script for any of the context. So, what's the context? Um, they gave me the information in feet. So it was 80 feet by 40 feet. Let us convert that into meters first. I'm just gonna type in 80 feet to meters. So we've got 24 feet, and coincidentally, that's the road width as well. So I'm gonna put in 24 over here. Sorry, 24, and it is 40 feet. So that's the half. So that will be 12. Okay. So 12 by 24. And the road is going from this side. So what will be the setback values? According to the development control book, it is 4.5 in front, and all of the other ones are 2 meters. So I need to see what controls what. So this one is controlling the front part. So let's put that into 4.5, and everything else will go down to 2 meters. It's easier to simply type. All right, so these will be the setbacks that are required for this. Why this much? Because the road is pretty big. It's above 18 meters. It is 24-meter road. So according to the rule book, the front margin will be 4.5 meters, and all of the others will be 2 meters. We will be getting 4 FSI, so that is fine. We don't need this for now because the offset is correct. Let's see what do we have other than these things. What's this geometry that they need? Okay. So instead of this geometry, I'm going to press Control and Shift and do this. Awesome. So, I mean, I'm already almost there. I need the ground floor to have a double heighted parking so that it will have a lift, and the max we can go is 4.5 meters. Um, so we need to input that. So I think the start will be 4.5. Can I put in decimal over here? If not, you need to change it from here. Digits to 1, and the value is 4.5. All right, so we've got 4.5 height, and then everything else will be 3.54 approximately. So let me change this as well. 3.5. All the floor heights are 3.5, and this is 4.5. The stilt height is 4.5. The number of floors need to be G plus 7. G plus 7. Let's try that out. Is this G plus 7? G plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Now what is the FSI that we are getting? Oh, perfect. It's less than 4. Amazing. I'm missing something actually. Uh, on the ground floor, we need to have shopping, not shopping, sorry, commercial spaces, like 2 shops or maybe 3 shops, and the rest of the space will be left for the cars to get in. So the column will be shifted probably, and there will be floating column, but that would be pretty heavy. Yeah, we don't have to worry about that right now. We are simply calculating we are doing the feasibility study. Um, so the entrance will be from here, and we need some spaces over here. How much should we put in? Let's see. Let's create a line over here. And I can see here, you see this is an but actually it's for us it is in meters. So I would say we can use up to um, 6 meters, because then we will have 3 meter and 3 meter wide shops. So we can have square shops or rectangular shops of 3 by 4.5, which will be um, 10 by 15, 150 square feet shops. So I can add that manually actually. So the total built up area, I'll simply add in um, how much is it? 150 square feet, right? So that's around 3 into 4.5, 3, oops, sorry, 3 into 4.5. I can simply do the multiplication over here, and then we can even tweak it. So I'm gonna say, okay. So what we are doing here is I'm kind of putting in dimensions for the shop and the number of shops. So we've got two number of shops at the base. So this will be um, width of shop, depth of shop, number of shops. All right, so we'll get the area of the total this thing, and then I'm gonna add it up, and then this will be the new built up area, which will go into here. So the FSI is still 3.5. Even if we are going up um, 7 floors, G plus 7. And I'm not even considering yet the punctures that we usually create, uh, you know. But there will also be balconies that I haven't considered. So if we have some balconies over here, that will be considered in built up area, because that is considered in 60% ancillary FSI that we get because of the revision in UDCPR. The things have changed. Initially, like way back, the balcony was calculated separately, vent separately, common spaces separately, stairs separately. But now it's like just one common FSI 1.1, FAR 1.1, and you add 60% to it, and then everything is in it. The stairs, the common spaces, except for vents, ducts, everything else is considered inside it, even the balconies. So if we consider balconies, so let's actually add that as well. So I've got these shops. I'm gonna group them up, right click, shop area calculation ground floor. And we added that, right? So we will add balconies as well. And for that, it'll be pretty simple. I'm thinking just putting in balcony in the front side, protruding 1.5 meters, or that would be too much. We can put in, let's just put in 1 meter for now, and that will be the um, width of balconies multiplied by the length. Okay, multiplied by the length of balconies, which will be, let's say, hmm, let us see how much is this. So this is 7, 7.5, 8 meters. Approximately, let's put in 8 for now. and then we multiply it. Of course, we don't need to multiply 1, but in case we want to increase the width of the balcony, it'll be super easy. So this will be give me the area of the balcony. So I'm going to add another node for addition, and that is now included inside the area calculation. So now it is 3.52. Previously it was 3.49. Another thing is that you are not able to see these balconies and shops over here, but you can um, create that. That'll take like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. But I'm going to leave it there for now because right now I just wanted to see the calculations. And it is great. We just need 3.5 FSI to go up till here. And these will be nice big 3.5 BHK flats probably from second floor onwards, and the first floor and the ground floor will be commercial and then parking over here. The commercial spaces over here can have mezzanine levels for storage, so that's pretty cool. So I think, yeah, this is a pretty good script, very versatile, and you can tweak things. You're not bound to one specific type of buildings like residential. Like this one is a mixed use building. It's a bit complicated, but you could see how we can do it by simple tweaks. I'll group this, call it balcony. Oh, I made a mistake. Balcony area calculation. I need to multiply it by the number of floors, which will go over here. Where are the number of floors? This one. So that gives us the total number of floors, and I'm going to rename these things for future reference. Floor height, stilt height, stilt or ground floor height. Okay, beautiful. Width of balcony. This is the length, running length of balcony. This is beautiful. So I've got the FSI of 3.7 approximately now. So it's closing to 4. So we won't be wasting much space. We may be able to get a penthouse on top because there will be more spaces that will be like created by those punctures of vents and ducts. So you'll have a bit more FSI to play with, and we can create other. But the issue is probably the building height restriction would come into play. What's the building height right now? Um, Let me think. We've got we've got 0.45, so I can actually just do mass addition. Let me copy this. Just type in not area, mass addition, and actually it will be the partial results. It won't be the actual result. And this is the correct answer. 105 meters. There's some error. All right, let's start from scratch. It will be 4.5 plus 3.5 into 7. Simple as that. So we've got 4.5 plus 3.5 into 7. Let's see. Is it 100? No, it's 29. Yeah, exactly. All right, so this is 29 meters high, approximately 30 meters high. So that is 100 feet high, 90 to 100 feet high. It's pretty tall. So if it is super tall, then there will be fire norms. Then we'll have to put in 2 staircases or 2 lifts or something like that. So we need to, not go beyond that limit and just be inside it for this to be profitable and feasible. Awesome. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Let's see what next tutorial will be. Bye bye.